Water, the lifeblood of our planet. From the icy poles to the lush rainforests, it sustains every living thing on Earth. It's the sculptor of our landscapes, carving canyons and shaping coastlines over millennia. Our oceans, vast and deep, regulate the global climate, acting as a giant heat sink. Rivers snake across continents, providing fresh water for animals, plants, and humans alike. Even the air we breathe depends on water, its humidity vital for our survival. But what if this life-giving element were to vanish? What if overnight every drop of water on Earth simply disappeared? The consequences would be catastrophic. A cascade of events leading to a desolate and unrecognizable planet. This is the story of a world without water. Imagine waking up one morning to a world without water. The taps run dry, rivers turn to dust, and the once mighty oceans are now vast, barren plains of salt. The immediate impact is devastating. Aquatic ecosystems collapse instantly. Fish gasp for breath in the empty air, their gills useless. Coral reefs, vibrant cities beneath the waves, bleach and crumble, their inhabitants left to perish. On land, the thirst is just as real. Animals, driven by instinct, embark on desperate searches for water, their usual source is now gone. The lucky ones find puddles, remnants of a wetter time, but competition is fierce, and many succumb to dehydration. The Earth, once teeming with life, begins to resemble a barren wasteland. Plants, the architects of Earth's ecosystems, are among the first casualties in a waterless world. Without water to transport nutrients from the soil, photosynthesis grinds to a halt. Leaves wither and droop, their vibrant green fading to a lifeless brown. Mighty trees, some standing for centuries, become brittle skeletons, their branches snapping in the dry wind. Grasslands, once a sea of green, transform into tinderboxes, the slightest spark threatening to ignite a wildfire. The loss of vegetation is not just a visual tragedy, it has a devastating ripple effect on the entire food chain. The very foundation of life on Earth begins to crumble. Section 4. A world without a symphony, animals in peril. The animal kingdom, deprived of its most basic need, is thrown into chaos. Herbivores, their food source gone, starve to death in droves. Predators, their prey vanishing, soon follow suit. Birds, once masters of the sky, become grounded, their long migrations now impossible. Insects, vital for pollination, perish en masse, further disrupting the delicate balance of nature. The once familiar sounds of the natural world, the rustling of leaves, the chirping of insects, the calls of birds, are replaced by an eerie silence. The tapestry of life, woven over millennia, unravels at an alarming rate. The planet falls silent, a testament to the devastating power of thirst. Section 5. The skies run dry, a new era of climate chaos. The disappearance of water doesn't just affect life on the surface, it throws the entire global climate system into disarray. Oceans, the planet's largest carbon sink, are gone, leaving the atmosphere to accumulate greenhouse gases at an alarming rate. Temperatures soar, turning the planet into a giant oven. Ice caps and glaciers, once symbols of permanence, vanish entirely, their meltwater nowhere to be found. The polar regions, once teeming with life, become icy deserts. Weather patterns become unpredictable and extreme. Without the moderating influence of oceans, storms rage with unprecedented fury, tearing across the parched landscape. The delicate balance that once made Earth habitable is shattered. The planet is gripped by a new era of climate chaos.